Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a trunk latch on a Nissan Altima. First, let's perform some initial checks. Carefully examine the latch mechanism for any obvious damage or debris that might be preventing it from closing properly. Next, try using the emergency release handle located inside the trunk. If it works, the issue might be with your external release. Also, confirm that any valet switch often found in the glove box is not activated, as this can disable the power trunk release. Now let's pinpoint the exact problem. Try both your key fob and the interior power release button. If neither works but you hear a click, the actuator might be faulty. If there's no sound, it could be an electrical issue or a broken release cable. Visually inspect the cable for any signs of damage or if it has come loose. Also, check if the trunk latch on the lid is misaligned with the striker on the car's body, which can prevent proper closing. Once you've identified the problem, it's time for the repair. You'll likely need to remove the trunk's interior trim panel to access the latch assembly. If the actuator is the culprit, replace it. It's usually held in place by two 10mm bolts. For a broken release cable, you may need to reattach it or install a new one. If misalignment is the issue, loosen the two 10mm bolts on the latch or striker and adjust its position slightly for a secure close. After making any repairs or adjustments, it's crucial to thoroughly test the trunk latch. Close and open the trunk several times to ensure it latches securely and releases smoothly. Confirm that both your key fob and the interior release button activate the latch reliably. Make any minor adjustments to the latch or striker as needed until the trunk closes with a satisfying click. Finally, reinstall the trunk trim panel, ensuring all clips and screws are properly secured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.